Good morning, some people afternoon. Here we are at our favorite fireworks stand in Newton, Iowa. Love their gorilla. We come here every year and get our fireworks. The people here are wonderful. They're very helpful. Stores for Home. It's on Highway 14 off of Interstate 80, Newton, Iowa. Come on out. They have a wide selection of fireworks.
See the back of his head? We were trying to get him up the other day and it was windy. He came flying back, fence post, right to the head.
They have carts that you can use.
Yeah.
A lot of kids stuff up front. Lots and lots of cakes.
Yes.
Very nice pricing. Like I said, they're super nice here, super helpful. One of the best ones we have here in town. They got a lot of smaller cakes, a lot of big cakes. Super awesome place. They even have a TV that you could scan most of these and you can watch what they do. So that's a very nice feature. They have some of these new, for the celebration, the 250 year celebration. They have some new ones up here for that. They have everything here. Bottle rockets at different sizes. That's that thing. So you could scan it and watch them. It's a pretty cool feature. Different size Roman candles. These over here are some of our favorite ones. These are pretty good. They're big boys, professional ones. They have bigger ones for like your final show. These are the ones, sparkles, that sit on the ground. They sparkle. A wide selection of parachutes. Those are awesome, love it. They even got ones that shoot off and ball. Look at that one. 250 parachutes. Insane. I'm getting that one. Sparkles. Come on. You know the adult, you know you're adults, you like some of this stuff. These are the smoke stuff. Kind of the kidsy stuff. There's more up there. There's some of the bigger ones again. These, the canister ones, shoot off the shells. Here's some more bigger ones. This is the Godfather. We actually got 2 of those for this year. Love it. We got some more of the canisters. They also got some smaller ones with multiple and more canisters. These things. The shells. Love them. Another big one that you could get. Of course, you got the firecrackers of different sizes. We've gotten some of those. Back here, they got some of the older ones that are kind of discounted. Display. So these are kind of the discounted ones from last year or whatever. We get a lot of these. They're really decent. More of the shells. These guys are awesome. You need to come out and see them. Tell them Shaggy Turf sent you. They'll set you up. They really will. We love this place. We come out here every year. We have other ones in town. Actually, a few of them aren't even open. And this is where you go. You go to this tent. This is the tent. Come in Highway 14 exit off of 380 in Newton. Look for the monkey, the gorilla. Come out here. These guys rock. Best one in town. Tell them Shaggy Turf sent you. Thanks. Have a good day.